Hello, so in this video we are going to solve a permutation problem. So basically there are four boys, four girls who want to sit around a round table. Okay, in how many ways they can sit so that no two girls are consecutive, means no two girls sit together. Okay, first point to understand is that if no girls are sitting together out of four girls, then out of four boys no two boys also can sit together. Okay, why? Because for example, so suppose one girl is in this position, they are at some position, right? So one girl is this position, then since no girls can sit together, on this side it must be a boy, on that side it must also be a boy. And suppose another G is sitting somewhere, because 4 girls we have to accommodate, right? So once there is a girl here, they on the left side they must be accompanied, so basically there must be two boys here. Okay, so now we see that four boys are already existed. 1 2 3 4 4 boys are already existed, but there are still two girls to accommodate here. Okay, so then only possibility is so for example, if you can you write GG here? No, because no girls can sit together. So it must be that one G is here and another G is here, and this is the only possibility. Okay, and in that case you see, if no girls are together, no boys can also sit together. Okay, yeah, so it is automatic here. But now we have to also understand this. So suppose these are four boys, B1 B2 B3 B4. Okay, and then this is one arrangement. Now suppose they are sitting in this arrangement. Okay, B1 is sitting here on this side of table, B2 is sitting here, B3 is sitting here, B4 is sitting. Whether these two arrangements are different, the answer is no, these two arrangements are not different. Why? Because you see, on the right of B1 B2 is sitting, on the right of B2 B3 is sitting, on the right of B4 B3 B4 is sitting, and so on. So it is same here actually. So it is just a circular shift actually. So B1 has come in the position of B2, B2 has come in the position of B3, and so on. Therefore these two arrangements are not considered to be different. Okay, but suppose B1 is still here, but B3 is here. Okay, B4 is here, and then B2 is here around the table. Okay, then it is a different, because B1 on the right it was B2 earlier, but now it is B3. Okay, so this arrangement is different. Okay, so I'll erase this arrangement different. The question is, how many such arrangements are there so that no two girls sit together? Okay, which means how many such arrangements are possible in this form? Okay, well, so in the round table, since shifting is a circular shift does not change the arrangement, we can actually fix one of them. Let's say this is B1. B1 is fixed. Then how many boys are remaining? Actually, we are solving this question part by part. How many boys are remaining? 3, right? How many boys are remaining? 3. So then in how many ways you can permute 3, right? Basically B1 is fixed, then B2 B3 B4 they are remaining, but they can sit anywhere in these 3 places, right? So basically you are permuting these 3 objects. So basically if you permute 3 objects or 3 people, it will give you factorial 3, which is 6. What is factorial? What is factorial in general? So factorials of some number, let's say n, is 1 into 2 into 3 into ... all product up to n. So factorial 3 is what? 1 into 2 into 3 up to n, right? Up to n you have to multiply. So factorial 3 is 6, which is correct. Now, so basically there are 6 ways in which 4 boys can sit around a round table. Okay, now for each of these 6 arrangements of boys, girl can sit in between, right? Girls can sit in between, like G, one girl, second, third, and fourth. Okay, and in how many ways they can sit? Because 4 girls are sitting in these vacant positions. Okay, so then in how many ways 4 girls can sit? So you can actually permute in any of the way of your choice. So basically factorial 4, then what is that? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which is nothing but 24. Okay, but this is true for each of the arrangements out of 6 of the boys, right? So basically for each of these 6 arrangements there are 24 arrangements among the girls. Okay, so this is actually the quantity. Okay, that may be this. So this many ways. Okay. So basically first boys can sit in how many ways they can sit? 6. But for each of the arrangements or each of the ways the boys can sit, there are 24 ways the girls can sit in the gaps. Okay, so for each of these 6, 24. So for 6, how many? 6 into 24, which is 144 ways. Okay, that's all.